We are pleased to show you the 2026 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.